How to farm masteries in Clash Royale. So if you want to farm or grind card masteries, then after the latest Clash Royale update, here's what changed and here's how you can adapt. So firstly, the trophy cap at 9,000 is completely gone. So you can't just sit there farming masteries with friends anymore. That method is completely dead. So what is the best method right now? It's actually playing special game mode. This is going to be any game modes that have multi-elixir boots like 2x, 3x or even 4x elixir mode. Right now, to change your game mode, you can just click on the little trophy icon which is on the bottom right and you'll see the stuff right here. Sudden death is the best one just because it starts at 2x, which is perfect for spamming cards and racking up more mastery progress faster. The way that it works is more elixir equals more cards played equals faster mastery completion. And the other thing I would like to recommend you doing is rotating your deck often. Because if you stick to the same cards every single match, you'll cap out their masteries and stop progressing. So switch things up to keep earning rewards. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.